Hi guys on YouTube. Today I'm going to do an intensive Hygiene Extra cycle in my Bosch Exxcel dishwasher. Loads it all up, lots of full items in there. Got pie dishes, so cups, bowls. Some of it's all from a curry night we had last night. We've got other plates, casserole dish, rice maker pot, and some plates and lots of cutlery. Just going to get the detergent, the dishwasher tabs, using Finish all-in-one dishwasher tabs. Well, that's just a tray falling in the sink. I'll just put the camera down while I do this. Okay, it's all loaded up. I'm going to put it in now. Turn the dishwasher on. I'm going to have intensive with Hygiene Extra, 2 hours 20 minutes, and we'll press start. And that should do good. See you at the end of the cycle.